Welcome to Elite Service Masters channel. If you're ready to transform your space into something both functional and beautiful, you're in the right place. Today, we're bringing you 5 space hacks that are going to change the way you experience your home. These tips are easy to implement, practical, and will leave your space feeling fresh, organized, and stylish. No professional help needed. Ready? Let's jump in. Okay, let's kick things off with a hack that will instantly declutter any space vertical storage. Most people only think of their floor space when organizing, but the real game changer is using your walls. From floating shelves to pegboards, you can take advantage of vertical space to store items and keep your floors clutter-free. Hang pots and pans in the kitchen, or install a stylish shelving unit in your living room for decor and books. And hey, don't forget hooks for coats, keys, or even bags. It not only helps with organization, but adds a visually appealing element to your room. Next up, let's talk about repurposing everyday items for DIY storage. Got some old shoe boxes lying around? Perfect. Cover them with decorative paper or fabric, and suddenly, you've got stylish organizers for anything from office supplies to accessories. Or, if you're into sustainability, grab some mason jars and use them for pantry storage, or even as chic planters. This hack not only cuts down on waste, but adds a personal, creative touch to your home. Plus, who doesn't love an upcycled masterpiece? Now, if you're working with a small area, you need to get smart with your space. This brings us to multi-purpose furniture. Think ottomans with hidden storage, foldable desks, or even a bed frame that doubles as a set of drawers underneath. These pieces are lifesavers when you want to save space but still keep everything you need nearby. One of my personal favorites is the wall-mounted desk. It folds up when not in use, giving you room to breathe, but when you need a workspace, it's right there. Seriously, multifunctional furniture will be your best friend in smaller spaces. Feeling like your space needs a little more personality? Let's dive into DIY decor that's not only cheap, but also unique. Head to a thrift store, grab some old picture frames, and give them a fresh coat of paint. Or try making your own wall art with stencils and a canvas. You don't need to be an artist to pull this off. And here's a fun one. Create a gallery wall with things that mean something to you. It could be postcards, fabric swatches, or even your kids' artwork. Not only will it reflect your style, but it's also a fantastic conversation starter. Finally, let's talk about maximizing your space on a budget. We've all been there, wanting a Pinterest-worthy room without the Pinterest-worthy budget. One trick? Focus on rearranging what you already have. Sometimes moving your furniture around can give a room a completely new vibe. Try centering your seating area or push the couch away from the wall to create more flow. You'll be amazed at how big of a difference it makes without spending a dime. Also, don't underestimate the power of mirrors. A well-placed mirror can make a room look twice its size by reflecting light and creating depth. So there you have it. 5 easy, transformative hacks to take your space to the next level. Whether you're working with a small room or just looking to freshen things up, these tips will make a world of difference. And the best part? They're all easy to do and won't break the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home improvement tips. Trust me, we've got plenty more coming your way. Until next time, happy transforming from Elite Service Masters.